You don't know me, and I wouldn't have done it. And
If I don't know you, then why
please
would-
stop interrupting me. The thing is, I would have never done this to somebody that I love. When I got down on one knee, again, I got interrupted.